How to create a new account on Metatrader 5. What is up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily log in or sign up for a new account for Metatrader 5. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe. Now the first thing you need is to install the app on your phone from Google Play Store or App Store. Now just open it up. You will be directly taken to the codes account, and first you will be asked to open a demo account. You don't want to do that as you want to open a real account, and for that you'll have different tabs at the bottom like charts, trade history, and then messages. So once you tap on the messages option, you'll have an option to register or sign in. And if you tap on get started, you can open up a demo account from here, but I suggest you directly register from here. So just tap on register. Now you'll just have to enter your login or create your login ID and your email. Or you can just directly continue with your Google account. So I'm just going to choose my Google account. So once you have chosen your Google account, you will be asked to enter your login and then tap on get an account. And once you have done that, you will be sent an email on the email that you have just chosen. Then you'll just have to verify your account from there and you should be able to sign into your new account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.